and thanks for stopping by to check out the Mom's BFF planner. I'm so excited for you to see what's in store here. I wanted to create something that wasn't just a daily planner or a monthly planner, but that was like a home management system. That way you have a spot for your budget binder, you have a spot for any visits to the doctor, you have spots for fitness and keeping track of that, and much, much more. So the Mom's BFF planner has more than 33 different printables for you to put in your planner. You get 8.5 by 11 page sizes that you can use in a binder, that you can resize smaller to fit in a happy planner, or you can just use them by themselves. I created this because I couldn't find what I needed out there. I wanted something that was simple, but I also wanted something that was so beautiful to look at every single day. And there's much to be said about beautiful simplicity, right? So to complete your purchase, just click on the Buy Now button below, and this will take you to a checkout page, and all you have to do is just enter your information. You can pay with either credit card or PayPal. Click Purchase, and then you will get to set up an online account and access your printables whenever and wherever you like to. I have two versions for you, an original version and a new version that I just uploaded. I'm going to quickly flip through some of the printables for you so you can get a feel of what they look like and what you're going to get after you complete your purchase.